Now, I want to tell you my opinion. It is a resounding and echoing no. No to the vote at 16, no to the vote at 17. It's fine at 18. 4 years ago, some of you were 12. 5 years ago, some of you were 12. I'm against it, absolutely against it. I think that it's fine at 18. I am not interested. I got lots of emails, very brilliantly written emails actually from many of you during the week. But I'm not really interested in what happens in other countries. I think one of the greatest weaknesses is when we copy other countries. We should be entirely independent in the way we do things here. We're also not the Students' Union. We're not a Students' Union. We don't think like a Students' Union. We are the upper legislative house of the Oireachtas, the Senate, and we have to think totally in the common good, not as a students' union. I would suggest that you stay away from politics. It's quite sacrilegious of me to say that. I would suggest that you get on with your creative and imaginative lives that I know you're brilliant at. I would suggest that you continue to get on with your education, your travel, arts, romance, music, expression and sport.
I think that is such a negative message to send to young people. And I think it comes from a position when maybe politics doesn't affect your life very much. But if you come from a background like mine, where political decisions that you don't have access to literally shape your environment without you being able to contribute to it, politics is very, very, very important. And I learned that at a very young age. But maybe if you do have the ability to just focus on your hobbies or just focus on your education, well then politics seems like some sort of luxury. But for people that are outside the loop of politics, that are outside the loop of access to some of those things, politics is what will decide their fate forevermore. For them being able to access education in the first place, for them even to have a sports ground to play those hobbies on that Marie Louise O'Donnell talks about. We don't have that same access, and politics to me was very, very important.